You've heard of the Long Island medium, and you've heard of the Hollywood medium as well, but I'm the Long Island small. Take a chance, give me a call. What's the number for the house line?
1-800-JUST-TRY.
1-800-JUST-TRY? 1-800-JUST-TRY.
How was it, right?
Oh, it was legit. You better go get your psychic reading right now.
You sitting on the floor, man?
Yeah.
Told you this was sketchy, bro.
Take a seat, right?
Alright.
Mom! We got our first customer!
Bro, what is this, bro?
Mom!
It's legit, right? Relax.
Alright, so let's talk business, fellas. I'm getting the vibe one of you is a rapper. And you want to face your fears. I'm here to help you.
I want to face my fears, right?
Something different.